It's a beautiful Sunday. We're gonna make it a beach day. That's right, that's right. Ah, the beautiful blue waters. They're so nice. I think right here is a good tanning spot. I think we're gonna plop ourselves right here. Yep. Let's see what's going on this way. There he is. They're going to be parachuting out of that sucker. Oh, I missed them. Too far. He's way out there in the beautiful sky. We spent an hour at the beach. Now it's time to go home and get something done. Okay, we're going to Home Depot. I need a 1-inch pipe cutter for the PVC pipe for that water filtration system, and I need a couple lithium batteries for that camera that died on the roof. All right, I got my electrical pliers and an outlet that I need and the cutters for the PVC piping. Here we are at Bendita Costillia. Ah, looks like they got the meat roasting over the fire over there. Oh, let's see. Sure enough, they do. We've been here with my cousin Darko before. Argentinian place outside.
Don't do this.
I guess I'm gonna go with the ribeye over here, and they brought this loaf of bread over here.
Is so good.
Is that bread fresh?
Yes, extremely. And this is a spicy sauce, and this is the chimichurri, which is so amazing. I had it last time, and it was so good. I'm having that, something new.
Teresa's having her Tecate de Leite, and so is Mama Jean, and I'm having this water here.
Can we talk about how wonderful this bread is?
The bread is good, and this is really hot, and that is mild.
It's a meat market. I bet that they have it. Fire. See how my phone does in this thing?
Got my water, but I have to get a cappuccino too. Yeah. Teresa, what's this plate of mix of over here? You got some kidney over here?
Yeah, we have kidney.
Kidney?
Sweetbread.
What's that?
Sweetbreads are like the pancreas and the glands of an animal, and this is the
small intestines?
This is called chitlins.
Okay.
Do you want some
I'm
lime
gonna try
on
it.
You want any lime?
Here's the kidney over here, and here's that meat. I'm gonna try the intestines. Then I got a hot pepper too. This is our appetizer.
I like everything.
Very good. I like it.
What was that?
The liver.
The liver?
The kidney.
Kidney?
Yeah.
You want to try the sweetbread?
Sure.
I don't know if that's a chewy part or not. Some parts are too chewy.
It's all good. I like it all.
What about the chitlin?
Chitlin's okay.
Not your favorite?
Nah, it's all right. My dad never ate it, so I never really ate it either. So.
Want to try it?
Well, I already tried it. It was good.
But your favorite is the kidney and the...
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
More chimichurri or something.
Okay, I got the ribeye here. It looks fantastic. And Teresa?
I got the mix of meats. I've got the ribeye, something else, and a I don't know. I got 3 different beef.
short ribs, mashed potatoes.
Wow. Chimichurri is better than. That's like onions and peppers, Mom.
Wow. This ribeye is great, and the mashed potatoes taste fantastic.